In the heart of the 20th century, a seismic shift was brewing, a revolution that would forever change the course of human history. This was no political upheaval, but a transformation of a different kind: the rise of renewable energy. In the 1950s, a brilliant scientist named Dr. Calvin Fuller, alongside his team, made a groundbreaking discovery. They created the first commercially viable solar cell, a device that could convert sunlight into electricity. This invention, known as the photovoltaic cell, was akin to harnessing the power of the sun, the very source of all life on Earth. As the 1960s unfolded, the crisis of the looming energy crisis became increasingly evident. Fossil fuels, the primary source of energy, were dwindling, and the environmental consequences of their use were becoming alarmingly clear. The world faced a crisis that threatened to choke the progress of humanity. In response, Dr. Fuller and his colleagues founded the Solar Energy Research Institute, SERI, in 1974. This institution was a beacon of hope, a sanctuary where scientists and engineers could collaborate to find sustainable solutions to the energy crisis. Their work was not without challenges. Skepticism and reluctance were widespread, as many doubted the feasibility and efficiency of solar energy. Yet, the team persevered, driven by the potential to create a cleaner, more sustainable future. In the 1980s, the first solar power plants began to take shape. These colossal structures, sprawling across deserts, harnessed the boundless power of the sun. The world watched in awe as these plants generated electricity without the need for fossil fuels. The consequences of this renewable energy transition were profound. Air and water quality improved, as emissions from fossil fuel power plants decreased. The world began to breathe easier, and the environment started to heal. Moreover, the renewable energy sector created jobs and stimulated economic growth. It was no longer just a solution to a crisis, but a catalyst for progress. Today, the solar revolution continues. Renewable energy is no longer a distant dream, but a reality that is shaping our world. From solar panels on rooftops to wind turbines in the ocean, the transition to renewable energy is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. The story of the renewable energy transition is a tale of innovation, resilience, and hope. It is a story that shows us that even in the face of crisis, humanity can rise and create a future that is cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable. The solar revolution is a beacon of hope, a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream and work towards a better future.